So in this video, you'll learn how to change the clock system on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So if you want to learn how to switch to the AM, PM system or to the 24-hour clock system, then this is what you need to do. Simply open the Settings app, then scroll and select General Management. From here, look for Date and Time and select it. And then you should see this option, Use 24-hour format with a toggle next to it. So currently it's enabled, which is why the clock system on my phone is showing 23 hours and 11 minutes instead of the 11 PM option. So if you want to switch to the PM system, then just tap on this toggle like that to disable it. And now all the systems on your phone will now say the time as well as AM or PM. So for example, we have this 11:12 PM and we have this 10:12 AM. If I want to switch back to the 24-hour format, just tap on the toggle like that to enable it. Now you'll see it's switching back to the 24-hour format. So it's up to you to decide which system you prefer to use on your A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.